go. Monday morning it is. Goodness gracious. After a wonderful weekend, time to say good morning again on Monday, the 23rd of March. Good morning from Jan de Vos, by the way. This is Hello Highveld, and we're going through until 8:30 this morning. Janie, goeiemôre van Jan de Vos. Welkom by Hallo Hoëveld vir Maandag die 23ste Maart. En so na 'n heerlike naweek dink ek gaan dit sommer 'n lekker Maandag wees. Niks.
A friend to listen to, with music and news and personal views, especially for you. You've got a friend with Highveld, the friendship station, tuned into you.
Time on Radio Highveld to exactly 6 o'clock, and our weather report this evening is brought to you with the compliments of Peter Stuyvesant, Extra Mild Cigarettes.
In sunny California, cool trumpets raise the heat. In sparkling gay Vienna, they waltz to a snow time beat. How will the day be down your way? Here's what the weatherman has to say.
Dit is om 3:30 op Radio Hoëveld en hier volgt die nuus gelees deur Sarah Meiburg.
Van die Drakensberg tot Megaliesberg en tot by Kimberley. Radio Hoëveld sing heel dag met musiek vir jou en my.
Goeienaand en 'n hartlike welkom na Hoëveld Versoeke. No, it's not Bill Sharp, it's Marion Newton, hoping that you'll enjoy the music that you've requested this evening.
That dial to Radio Highveld.
Stay in tune with Highveld.
Tune that dial to Radio Highveld.
Music all the way on Radio Highveld.
In our program, Up Tempo Time. En dan moet ons alweer groet. Baie dankie van Ben Teunissen en Leon van Vrede vir die saamluister. Ons is weer terug volgende week en tot dan alles van die beste tot die 6de en dieselfde tot die 11de.
Taking kids on a holiday fun ride. Radio Highveld keeps you company. Playing your song and before too long you'll tap your feet to the beat of the music. Day and night your favorite music. Radio Highveld keeps you company. You'll never be alone. Your portable, traveling companion or
Get up and go time exactly 8:30. Marnie Kitching with the news. The state president, Mr. F.W. de Klerk, is expected to make a major speech on government policy today when he addresses the National Party's Natal Congress in Durban.
Young and old, share the gold at Radio Oranje.
This is Radio Algoa, bringing you the sounds of your life until 9:30 tonight.
Dit is Radio Algoa, met die klanke van jou lewe, tot om 9:30 vanaand.
Jacaranda, it's music to your ears.
25 Maart. Gegroet. 25 Maart. 87. 9 maanden, dan is het Kersfeest. Ja. Ja. Have your accidents now. Don't wait for the Christmas rush.
Jacaranda, if it's beautiful music and the sounds of laughter is what you're after. Jacaranda, the good life's calling, the music's playing, everybody's saying. Think of the pleasure you find when you turn on your favorite radio. There's a feeling of joy you come to know. Radio Jacaranda, it's music to your ears.
Weather is cold, windy or fine. Time to breakfast, supper or dine. Stay tuned to FM all day long. On Good Hope, you can never go wrong.
You tune to Radio Good Hope. The time now 1:30, and here is the news read by Nico. Next news broadcast on Radio Good Hope may be heard at 2:30 in Afrikaans.
Stand by for an inspiration special. Radio Port Natal. It's Radio Port Natal news time.
Hey, 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 look at the time just ticking away. It's 19 minutes to 8.
Radio Port Natal, verkeersbericht.
Well, we're right in the middle of our peak, and all reports indicate that traffic is flowing very well this morning.